A nation where the untamed beauty of nature collides with the vibrant spirit of its people. Nestled in the heart of Central Africa, prepare to be captivated by the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. Hi, I'm Abhi and welcome to World to Digitally with Dear Challengers. The DRC boasts a staggering size, encompassing lush rainforests, sprawling savannas, and the majestic peaks of the Virunga Mountains. Its 10 provinces, each with its unique landscape and culture, showcase the incredible diversity of this extraordinary land. The DRC, with a population exceeding 90 million, is the fourth most populous nation in Africa. French reigns as the official language, but over 240 indigenous languages echo throughout the country, reflecting its rich cultural heritage. From the rhythmic pulse of soukous music to the captivating storytelling traditions of the Mangabethu people, the DRC's cultural tapestry is deeply woven with the stories of its people. Christianity and traditional beliefs coexist peacefully, shaping societal norms and practices. Kinshasa, the bustling capital city, pulsates with frenetic energy, while ancient towns like Bandaka whisper tales of a bygone era. The awe-inspiring sight of the Inga Falls, the world's second most powerful by volume, leaves onlookers speechless. The national flag, emblazoned with blue, yellow, and red, symbolizes peace, justice, and the blood of martyrs who fought for independence. The DRC boasts immense natural wealth, with vast mineral reserves fueling its economy. However, agriculture remains a vital sector, with fertile lands promising future prosperity. The climate varies dramatically across the country, from the scorching heat of the equatorial regions to the cooler temperatures of the highlands. The mighty Congo River, Africa's lifeblood, snakes its way through the heart of the DRC, providing a vital transportation route and source of sustenance for millions. From the ancient kingdoms that once flourished to the brutal colonial legacy, the DRC's history is a complex saga of resilience and struggle. The fight for independence paved the way for a new chapter, but challenges remain. Today, a democratic republic navigating a path towards stability, the DRC is rich in potential. Investing in infrastructure development, particularly transportation networks, is crucial for unlocking the nation's full potential. Initiatives in education and healthcare aim to empower the Congolese people and build a brighter future. From the lush rainforests of Virunga National Park, teeming with rare wildlife, to the captivating art scene in Kinshasa, the DRC offers a wealth of experiences waiting to be explored. The country is actively working to develop its tourism sector, showcasing its natural wonders and rich cultural heritage. The Democratic Republic of Congo plays a vital role in the future of Africa. Its vast resources and strategic location hold immense promise for regional development and cooperation. The world recognizes the DRC's artistic talent, from the captivating music scene to the vibrant contemporary art movement. As we conclude our journey through the Democratic Republic of Congo, we hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for its breathtaking beauty, enduring spirit, and the incredible potential it holds for the future. Join us next time as we continue to uncover the wonders of our world. Thank you for watching Democratic Republic of the Congo Uncovered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, stay curious about South Africa. Thank you.